It's time for Lego football match. 2 goals, red and blue, 2 players, and of course 1 ball. Let's see who scores first. Yay! It's Team Blue. If you love playing football, you're gonna love building it too. Let me show you how. It is very easy and basic build. Starting with the red player. A red player can move his arms and head. And he's ready to play. Building second player is exactly the same as first, but different colors. Next, let's build the goals, starting with red. I found these 2 grey pieces perfect for my goal. And here it is complete. Let me try if it works. Yep, all good. Blue goal's pretty much the same as the red one. I just use slightly different poles. And we are ready to play. This mini Lego football game is endless fun. You can play solo with your kids or even have a mini tournament with friends. I will be back soon with something new.